Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on profile picture zoom on Instagram. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile picture, click on your profile picture on the bottom right side of your screen and click on it, and then click on the hamburger menu which is on the top right side of your screen. Now your settings will open. Now hear me out. This feature is, I think, not available for all of the phones, and I don't know the reason, because if you have any update of Instagram, you can update your application. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar on the top and type privacy, and you'll be able to see account privacy option. You have to click on it. Now there is an option called private account, and there is another option for me, and this option is not available for all of the people. Allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. There's another option called profile picture expansion toggle. If you can see that option on your phone, then what you have to do is turn on that toggle, and Instagram will automatically turn on profile picture zoom, and that option is called profile picture expansion, something like that. You have to turn that toggle on, then people will be able to zoom into your profile picture. And you have to note that this feature is only available for the public accounts. If you see any private account, you won't be able to zoom into their picture. So you have to make your account public first, then you'll be able to see that option of profile picture zoom or expansion. So hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.